that sort of a vacation where probably I'll not need even my wife. I'll be happy with her. I had messaged her about 2 a.m. in the night. First thing she told me, sir, आप इतनी रात को मैसेज नहीं कर सकते हो. There was so much inside me that I would rather finish myself. एक चीज़ मैं कभी नहीं चाहता था कि बच्चा बड़ा होके बोले कैसे बाप हो तुम. The final chase, it's no more working. Okay.
Makes you feel guilty, it makes you feel sorry, it makes you feel that you are doing something wrong to these women now.
I'm sitting in middle and there are 1,000 ladies behind me and we are a force. We are standing like this in a picture. The amount of money that we were paying to them for a month, that's the amount they would be spending on a weekday. Right, weekend पे तो उसका double spend कर रहे हैं. एक दिन ये धरने पे बैठ जाए, सब धरा का धरा रह जाएगा. If you have to be a $5 trillion economy, your 25% of the population that is sitting at home and educated needs to do something, yeah.
So welcome to another episode of Anything But Wrong, guys. Today we have the founder of The Elephant with us. Let's meet Saurav Jain today. Let's hear directly from him what The Elephant means and what The Elephant is all about. So hi Saurav, welcome to our show. Can you tell me and the audience all about The Elephant? Like what is The Elephant all about?
Sure. Hi Aman, thanks for inviting. I mean, it's been a pleasure. It's a beautiful place that you have carved out. Elephant, it's a simple, in one line if I have to say this, it's a simple way to give unlimited toys to any child, right? We are building a subscription model where parents can enjoy toys for their kids and exchange them whenever they are bored. If you look at it, right, आपकी घड़ी शायद 2 साल चलती है, आपके शूज़ 1-1.5 साल निकाल देते हैं, your clothes run for a year where you spend $1,000-$2,000. Toys are one such things where you spend $1,000-$2,000 and kids outgrow them in less than 7 days.
Okay.
Right? And उसका कोई आंसर नहीं है. It's not that they are done with it. I mean, it's not that they are bored. They're just done with it. They need a change, which is very important. So that's the idea where parents traditionally have been just buying, playing and doing the clutter all around the home. We've just tried to do something new in this sort of an old age history of toys where buying was the only way, to make it subscribe, play, return, and sort of give more variety to the kids and at the same time more accessibility to a parent, both economically and mentally as well, I would say.
So, but okay, toys clutter के बारे में but कोई इतना ज़्यादा से बात नहीं करता, and I think in India you all are the only ones with this model, or do you have any?
No, so I mean, at this stage we are the only one at this scale where we are present in 18 cities, operating and delivering at home with the number of customers that we have. There are local mom and shop players, that they would have been doing more of a community play always. People don't talk about toy clutter because it was so embedded that this is bound to happen if you have a kid. If you look at it, कि हम बहुत सालों से सुनते हैं कि अब तो बच्चा को अब देखो घर कैसा फैला रहेगा टॉयज से या उनके सामानों से या उनके लिए, right? So it has been more embedded into us from a long time. But I don't think there is any parent that is not frustrated from it. Not for the fact that they hate buying. It's also for the fact that after a point of time you feel यार ये बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है
और रखे किधर,
और रखे भी किधर बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है. मतलब
Correct.
you can't keep buying and they keep getting bored. बच्चे को कुछ कह नहीं सकते और वो देखता भी नहीं है उस टॉय की तरफ दोबारा. So yeah, I mean that's where we thought that there's a lot that can be done, and as you rightly said, और कोई भी नहीं है. So it's at a decent stage for us to take it up.
Okay, but when we're talking about toys, are we just talking about toys or are we talking about board games also?
So we cater 0 to 12 years,
Okay.
which, so there are journeys that a child will have. In 0 to 1, 1 to 2, effectively it's more of sound and light and sound games, wooden toys, etc. These are just touch and feel, cognitive skills. Maybe when they become 2 to 4, 2 to 5, there are new toys that get introduced, which are pretend play or kitchen sets and others. Post 5, there are board games that gets added and introduced. So yeah, it is a mix of all kinds of toys and board games that you can think of, covering 0 to 12 years. We do have about 15-20% books as well for people to enjoy.
Books as in, ऐसे,
These are again small cognitive skills book, touch and play, touch and
Okay.
read. Yeah, these are not those readable books as in
not
these are
learning,
not
मतलब
learning. No,
okay,
no, no.
just fun.
Just fun, just for the child between say 1 to 6 years.
Wow, very cool, very cool. So again, what I asked कि इस scale पे we are the only ones doing this, correct? Firstly, ये topic के बारे में कोई बात नहीं करता है. So what made you think कि भाई हम ये करेंगे और हम इसको इतना scale भी करेंगे? One is that. Secondly, I did some research on you before. आपने ये चालू करने से पहले you had a very strong corporate background.
Correct.
So वो transition कैसा था? What was that mindset like?
See, I didn't start this because I wanted to sell something.
Okay.
Maybe I started this because I was tired of buying something. ठीक है. The journey was a pure personal journey. So Anna is 4 now. Uh, and when she was about 1, when we were parent actually, at that point of time, I always say that one thing that I always did was read a lot of parenting books. क्योंकि एक चीज़ मैं कभी नहीं चाहता था कि बच्चा बड़ा होके बोले कैसे बाप हो तुम. So I wanted to be by the book, theoretically right, and I'm sure a lot of us always feels that कि यार गलत कुछ नहीं करना है. So one thing came out very categorically कि kids will need change. They will want change, especially at the young age. Their brain develops the fastest, 0 to 5, and that can develop more and more the more new things comes to them. And avoid phones, digital distraction as much as. So when I was part of Chai Point as a supply chain director, I used to travel to Bangalore a lot. Every time I used to get a toy for her when she was about 6 months, 9 months, or maybe 12 months. It got too frustrating because there was no space. She was outgrowing it completely and completely. And that is where, uh, for me, this was a supply chain problem. You will not believe, I never wanted to start this, very honestly. I wanted to become a member. Okay? ये टॉय लाइब्रेरी एज अ कॉन्सेप्ट बोरीवली कांदिवली जैनों के बीच में थोड़ा है. हमने सुना हुआ है हमारे.
यहाँ पे भी है, यहाँ पे भी है, यहाँ पे भी है. Yes, yes.
We have heard that. My simple intention was to join a toy library for my daughter. I still remember I went there first day or the first library. They said, come on Tuesday between 10 to 5. I'm like, boss, I can't leave everything in this world and do this. And you're talking about in 2022, right? Which the world has advanced enough for home deliveries. Then I went the other one. They said, I have a WhatsApp. I said, this is still fine. I can do this. They sent out 200 pictures to me. I said, ma'am, brand, age, description, what will it add to my child? Nothing. They said, sir, photo zoom करो, आपको टॉय समझ में आ जाएगा. I still said, ठीक है, कर लेते
एकदम
हैं.
देसी वे.
एकदम देसी वे, कर लेते हैं यार, मतलब ठीक है. I spent almost 2 nights because that's the time when you get, and I was so into my daughter. I'm still, but तब तो मैं और ज़्यादा था कि एक नया मॉडल ट्राई कर रहे हैं. I literally saw 200, selected 6 of them and sent it out to her. First thing she told me, I had messaged her about 2 a.m. in the night. First thing she told me, sir आप इतनी रात को मैसेज नहीं कर सकते हो.
तो आप सुबह देख लो यार, हम तो जब
But
फ्री हम
it's
तभी
like,
मैसेज.
हाँ, because they're more like a woman running from
Correct,
home out of
correct.
passion. And then she's saying कि अम्मी मेरे पास 6 में से 3-4 है नहीं, मैं आपको फिर भेज रही हूँ, आप तुरंत सिलेक्ट करो in next 30 minutes and then we'll go. That was the tipping point for me. Right? I was literally handling milk supply chain for about 7,000 machines where we were delivering fresh milk in the morning. यार गाय 4 बजे दूध दे रही है 3 बजे रात को और 6 बजे दूध पहुंच रहा है. And I'm sleeping well. That's the sort of supply chain that I've built in my life. Now somebody is telling me that I can't deliver a product to you and give you back a product and you can return it back whenever possible. So that is where we started. We then did a lot of research. What is happening globally? What are other parts of India apart from Bombay? Because Bombay is the only place that knows about it. What is happening in other parts? And we ended up realizing there is absolutely nobody. And the problem is not just for me, but the problem is very common. So yeah, that was the part of the journey where you always wanted to build something not just for today, but something that outlasts you as well. So we really feel that this can be something that can add value
That
not
will
only to
stay.
parents. Yeah, that will stay.
That will stay.
Yeah, whether how big or small, but that will stay
Yeah, because this problem will always stay.
exactly. That's how it started for us.
Wow, that's great. That makes so much sense. That's crazy also. Like the reason to start it is very cool. Like people just start because they want to sell something, they want to open a business. No, you are actually finding a solution to your own problem. So like that is very, very cool. As you said, ki Bombay is the only market that knows about it. क्या बाहर outside Bombay, tier 2, tier 3 में से community driven libraries भी?
बिल्कुल भी नहीं. बैंगलोर में एक है, दिल्ली में एक है. नाउ डू यू नो द स्केल ऑफ बैंगलोर एंड दिल्ली, राइट? देयर इज एब्सोल्युटली नोबडी. वी डिड अ सर्वे ऑफ अबाउट 1000 पेरेंट्स. बॉम्बे को हटा दो तो 98% नेवर हैड हर्ड द मॉडल. इट वाज नील बटा सन्नाटा देयर कि भाई मतलब ये क्या बोल रहे हो, टॉय वापस ले लोगे मतलब. सो देयर वाज एब्सोल्युटली प्लेन ब्लैंक. नो वन हैज एवर हर्ड अबाउट इट. And there is no player also in this who is actually marketing it apart from say we doing some bit of it.
Right, you all are the a proper D2C brand.
Exactly, yes.
Definitely. So as a kid, I also remember जैसे San Matunga में यहाँ पे भी 2 library. I don't think those are operational anymore. Yeah, I don't think they're still active anymore.
I think one of the biggest one was Roxy.
ओके ओके सो आई रिमेंबर देयर बीइंग टू, जहाँ पे आप अंदर जाके पढ़ाई भी अपने अपने घर की पढ़ाई भी कर सकते हो, स्कूल वूल की, यहाँ पे बुक्स भी आप वो भी कर सकते हैं। देयर आर टॉयज ऑल्सो जो आप लेके जाओ घर, 2 दिन बाद आके वापस दे जाओ एंड एक्सचेंज इट वॉट एवर। बट वो टॉयज का क्वालिटी
Absolutely, yes.
मतलब
It was just done because किसी ने या तो दान में दिए हैं।
हाँ एग्जैक्टली
मैंने मेरे बच्चे के लिए यूएस से 200-500 टॉयज लाए हैं। बच्चा तो चला गया वापस यूएस, मैं बहुत अटैच्ड हूँ, तो मैंने कहा कि यार टॉय लाइब्रेरी खोल लेते हैं। एंड नाउ एवरी टाइम समवन रिटर्न्स फ्रॉम यूएस दुबई, आई से वन टॉय, ब्रिंग इट ऑन। So that was one of the thing. I mean, the biggest reason for us was one WhatsApp story I told you, but the other was also the quality big time. Right? I'm talking about the best of toys. I'm not gonna give my daughter anything just random.
एग्जैक्टली
I don't want a Chinese product. I don't want a non-BIS product. I want something that's available in Hamleys. I want the best brands to be available for her to play. And this is not a cost-saving thing for me, right? I mean, I was not doing it for cost-saving. There can be a good cost-saving at the end of the day, but the main reason for me personally was not
Yeah,
cost-saving.
no. If you're looking at giving the best quality products to your child, then you cannot look at cost saving
Exactly.
also. Like
Exactly. They can't go hand in hand.
exactly.
So that was the thing, right? That these brands that have been running, they never realized that, you know, 10 years old, 20 years old toy just lying there because toy खराब तो होता नहीं है, वो पड़ा है और वो पड़ा ही है बस. So that has been one of the biggest reason for us to sort of look at it.
Very interesting. So before we start talking about in detail about the brand, I just want to know a general overview about how the subscription model works. What do you guys do in that? What does the customer get out of it? Like, what is the whole, like, just walk me through it.
So we run two plans as of today. We run a 833 a month plan.
833 a month.
That is about 10,000 a year.
Okay.
And we run a 250 a month plan, which is recently started. That's about 3,000 a year. Okay. In the first plan, they get 3 toys at a time, any 3. So you can order any 3 that you want to order, and you can exchange them a number of times. So unlimited exchanges is what you can do. Everything is home delivered. Everything is picked up from home. We realized that 10,000 as a number, probably even for a middle, upper middle, puts a pause because it's a new model, as you rightly said, right?
But it's for a year also.
It's for a year, but it still puts a pause, right? That okay, maybe wives will say I'll talk to husband, husbands will say that I'll talk to wife. So we thought why not maybe do an AB between, so looking at a 3,000 or 4,000 as a value for a year. So that's where our second plan got started. We used to have a quarterly plan earlier, but now we started an annual plan at about 3,000 plus GST and other things, in which everything remains the same, 3 toy at a time, but you get 14 deliveries only, 14 exchanges in a year. So probably after your exchanges are over, either you pay for the exchanges or you upgrade yourself to the unlimited plan. That's the model that runs today.
ओके एंड जैसे अभी आपने आपके करंट पहले वाले प्रॉब्लम में बताया कि उन्होंने पिक्चर्स सेलेक्ट किया और आपने जो भी चूज किया वो आउट ऑफ स्टॉक था, आपके वेबसाइट में ये प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं आती?
I mean, I'm proud of my app, not because I've made it, but because the tech team has done fantastic work.
Definitely.
It's a complete app-based thing on both Android and App Store. We always wanted to give an experience. When we compare also, we say this is as good as Amazon, Flipkart that you're buying. So everything from a video of that toy to what does that toy add to the skill, which brand it is from, what is the description, good clear pictures of the toy, age group selections, everything is very well built in the app. So it's a as good as a D2C platform that you go and you put all the filters for your child, right? We have everything like that. Indeed, we also have a filter for a special child, right? Because you also want them to enjoy these kind of toys. So there's a special child educator and doctor approved 200 to 50 toys which they can play with without parents risking any safety issues for them. So yeah, that is how it works, where it's a very clean, simple UI. You simply order and it gets delivered to you at your home.
But what about the inventory issues then? For example, आप एक particular game का आप कितना, मतलब एक SKU का आप कितना products hold करते हो?
So we run a good amount of analytics behind. We have 4, 5, 10, 1, depending on the demand. Right, we constantly keep seeing how many people are adding to the wish list, how many people are checking it out, how soon a product is returning. So it's a very funny thing. If a toy is getting returned back in 3 days versus a toy is getting returned back in 10 days, the 3-day toy is probably not engaging enough for any kid. Right? So if multiple kids are doing a 3-day exchange, we probably look at exchanging and changing the toy itself. And if it's a 10-day thing, then we know that this is the perfect toy that somebody wanted. So whatever you see on the app live is all available. So we don't show out of stock for the ease of convenience of the customer. However, we exactly know what's sitting in their wish list. and has gone out of stock, and for how many days. So we keep adding inventory of that particular unit.
But you have multiple SKUs, multiple number of the same SKU
Yeah,
also.
it's a Pareto. So our Pareto probably is not 80-20, but it's about 35-65. So we know that 30-35% of our SKUs are fast moving, or people will mandatorily need. The moment you take this subscription, I'm sure you will order a gel tile. I'm sure you will order a kitchen set. I'm sure you will order a doctor set. So you know that these products are going to get ordered by people for sure. So you will have to add those inventories at least for them to make good use of their membership. And there are products like books. I mean, people have not ordered books. It's a surprising factor. People don't order books at all because they're like, it's a toy library, give us toys only, and we don't want books that way. So now we have restricted our books, 1 or 2 each, right? Till the time we don't get those kind of orders. So it's an analytically driven, data backed up warehouse inventory that we manage.
Very cool. How many subscribers are we working with currently?
So we right now are at about 8,000 plus subscribers across India. Yeah, fully annually paid people.
That is a big leap from the Shark Tank. The Shark Tank was 2024 only, no?
Yeah, 20. February 25.
Oh, bro, that time you guys had what, 2000? Wow, that is a great jump. What was the reason for this jump? Like Q4X?
No, I think it's I mean, Shark Tank, very honestly, was dull this time.
This entire year was quite dull.
And also for us, it became more like a maths class for a lot of people at the end of the day, the way the episode was shot. So Shark Tank added to the credibility to a great way. That's one. However, not a branding per se. It didn't make us probably the talk of the town. What worked well for us is the awareness that has been constantly there. There are people who would have downloaded our app 1.5 years before, but became our member today. See, subscription models need trust. The biggest thing that people say, आप 3 महीने पहले चालू हुए हो, आपको मैं 1 साल का पैसा कैसे दे दूँ? So that has worked for us. That okay, you were standing, you are there now, right? Word of mouth has worked very well for us. Once somebody uses a subscription, then somebody again tells to the other person and all of that. And of course, we have grown as a team. We have learned how well we can put that content out. I still feel there are good ways to improve it. But yeah, those have been something. 8,000, are you contented as a founder? No.
No, yeah.
Not for the reason that कि ये कम है या ज़्यादा है. For a reason you know that this problem is much bigger. I mean, you need to sometimes, one of the thought that we always deal with is why 8,000? Why are we just here and probably not crossing the leap? So yeah, I mean, multiple reasons. One is, of course, the trust internally has gone up. So people are more confident. Credibility has increased. People are more aware now that this exists. We have doubled down on certain regions a lot better. So that has helped us a lot, and referral has worked for us broadly to see this leap. We look to be at about 25,000 probably by this year in March and April.
But that is like some crazy growth, definitely. That is touchwood. That is some like really good growth. Okay. बट फिर आप मेरे को एक चीज़ बताइए, जैसे सब्सक्रिप्शन मॉडल्स में थोड़ा तो ऊपर, व्हेन वी आर डीलिंग विद किड्स, थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे तो हो जाता है. चलो रेफरल्स वाला आई टोटली अग्री विद, बिकॉज दैट विल वर्क द बेस्ट, बिकॉज ये कम्युनिटी होता है. लाइक एक मदर्स का ग्रुप होता है जिन लोग के सेम एज ग्रुप के किड्स होते हैं. एक पेरेंट ने भी अगर ऐसा कोई चीज़ ट्राई कर लिया, दे विल टेल द एंटायर ग्रुप, एंटायर स्कूल, वॉट एवर, योर क्लास फ्रेंड्स, एवरीवन, कि यार दिस इज समथिंग हैपनिंग, इट विल सेव सम मनी ऑल्सो, एंड इट्स प्रीटी कूल ऑल्सो. यू गेट टू ट्राई सो मेनी थिंग्स. इट्स अ कूल प्रोडक्ट. But then when you are dealing with kids, product damage का क्या?
यार डे 1 पे हमें पता था हम किस बिजनेस में एंटर कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. If you would recollect, we all have grown up with a hands down or a bottoms down thing. I have played with my elder brother's toy. I'm sure you would have played with your cousin's toy, elder brother's.
Yes.
I've actually played with my dad's toy also, which is 25-30 years old. Toy inherently has a lot of life.
Yeah.
It doesn't have a life for that child. What breaks, जब आप ब्रेक सोचते हो ना, सबसे पहला टॉय आपके दिमाग में आता है वो डांसिंग डॉल, रिमोट कंट्रोल कार. That's it. Nothing can happen to a wooden toy. Nothing happens to a high quality paper. Nothing happens to a plastic toy. Plastic toy तो मतलब मरने के बाद भी जिंदा ही रहेंगे. Yes, there are missing pieces that can happen because they tend to lose piece. So there we have tied up with most of our brands for a piece-to-piece replacement. It's a spare part management, right? So effectively, if I lose a dice of a board game, I can get that dice back, and then that game can make good again. It's too difficult to make a game unplayable. Like you have a block game of 100 blocks. ठीक है, 2 ब्लॉक घूम गए, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. एनीवेज वो 100 से आप कुछ बनाने वाले नहीं थे. ठीक है, किचन सेट है, एक चम्मच या एक प्लेट घूम गई, नथिंग, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा टू द किड, नॉट टू द fun time that can happen. Same goes for board games like a Monopoly or anything. Some notes here and there are out also. Nothing happens.
But then, do the families or the person who, like, do they have to pay any consequences?
So we have something called as a damage waiver. It's more like a pseudo insurance that they have. The idea is simple. Let your child play freely. I'll go back in history a bit right here, and maybe some insights that you will understand. We started with a security deposit of 1,000 rupees
Okay.
in September 23 when we launched.
Correct.
Our app FAQ always said that damage is on us, you don't have to worry. But howsoever convincingly I tell, even as a founder, if I tell, they're not ready to agree to it, right? That damage is on us. आप तो पक्का आ जाओगे, मेरा टॉय टूटेगा, मुझसे पैसे ले लोगे. We did the opposite. We said now 1,000 rupees हटाओ security. Anyways, India hates paying security deposit, right? आप 1 लाख का सामान ले लोगे बट 1,000 रुपये नहीं दोगे डिपॉजिट के. तो we moved that deposit to a damage waiver. Okay, now sort of एक स्टोन से 2 बर्ड वाला टाइम है. अब मेरे लिए क्या हो गया, कस्टमर को बोल रहा हूँ सर आपको टेंशन नहीं लेना, हमने तो इंश्योरेंस ले लिया, सॉर्ट ऑफ डैमेज वेवर ले लिया, तो आप डरो मत. मैं एनीवेज उन्हें वही ऑफर कर रहा था कि डैमेज इज ऑन अस, यू डोंट हैव टू वरी. प्लस आई ऑल्सो गॉट 1,000 रुपीज विच एक्ट्स एज अ value for me in case any unintentional damages happen, more like a provisional amount. So that has created a lot of merit for a parent to look into it. Now that entire topic कि मेरा बच्चा टॉय तोड़ देगा तो आप क्या करोगे, just goes away the moment I tell them सर आप एक 999 का एक एड ऑन पैक ले लो, you don't have to worry. So that is where it is. On a number standpoint, if I have to tell you, we would have exchanged about 1.5 lakh toys in last 1 year, right? Our damage, like complete damage, खत्म ही हो गया, टॉय पूरा मतलब बर्बाद हो गया, is less than even 100. Okay, and missing pieces are about 2% जो 2-2.5 लाख रुपए में हमने ठीक करा लिया. Only condition is आप टॉय वापस कर दो, मतलब I can't allow theft. Right? Damage waiver is not theft.
My next question was exactly going to be that. Yeah.
Damage waiver is simply आप तोड़ के दे देना अगर टूट रहा है तो. But see, it's also about the fact that the parents that we are dealing with, I would never tell my daughter to break anything.
Yeah, of course.
ये टॉय तो एलिफेंट का है बट टीवी आपकी है, फोन आपका है, you know, so you can't teach and preach. No parents would want to do that. So that also acts with us in a nice way. And kids are very clear. So I have seen this with my own daughter and quite a few young kids whom I know. The moment they know that this toy is from elephant, they'll take care of it like anything because they know कि ये जाएगा तभी दूसरा आएगा. They don't understand membership. They don't understand anything. They just know कि अगर मैंने इसका ख्याल नहीं रखा,
Correct.
तो
That's
अगला
so
डब्बा
sweet.
नहीं आएगा.
That's so cute. Yeah.
So
Right.
that works in our favor at times. And of course, everything is data managed. So it has not happened. But from an investor or as an entrepreneur side, we keep a tap. If a customer is damaging way beyond 2 or 3 times, we actually call them and we can say them, sir, this model is not for you. This is your money back, and probably just leave it. So you don't have to worry or panic. Anything can happen that way. I mean,
But that has happened.
not really. Not really. We would have called 1 or 2 to ask how did it happen, because there were some very sturdy toys that were broken, but it was more to learn that what went out. And then we ended up realizing that probably the plastic has gone old because of the moisture, and that made it just crack down very easily. So of course nothing on the parent per se. People ask us that do parents call to buy, right? In my entire journey 2 parents have called only
कि हमको ये रख ही लेना.
हमको खरीदना है. I was like, who the hell are they? I mean, I called them up personally कि क्या हो गया, आप क्यों रखना चाहते हो? So one of them said, I lost the toy actually during a transit, so I didn't want to accept it, so I said खरीद लेते हैं. Second one was like, my kid is not leaving this toy and possibly I'm not able to use the membership well, so I wanted to buy. I actually told them, ठीक है, this is Amazon price, this is discount on Amazon price, you buy it. Now even after 1 month you realize कि I shouldn't have bought it, please call us.
We'll take it back.
We'll take it back.
Wow, that's so flexible. That's so good. Also.
Because I'm sure nobody is intending to buy it, right? And this is something where we have realized now over a period of 1.5-2 years that it's actually people who are using this, they're like, why were we buying till now?
Correct.
To a great extent. So I'm not saying that people will not buy toys after this, but they'll buy something that will add value to their child.
और किसी को कोई टॉय अगर 2-2 महीने रखना है तो इट्स फाइन.
As of now, it's fine. It works like Netflix. आप Netflix ऑन करके अब एक ही मूवी देख रहे हो तो Netflix को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. For us, as of now, it's fine. बट वी मैसेज पेरेंट्स आफ्टर 15-20 days कि आपका बच्चा बोर हो गया है. सी यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ इज कि बच्चा बोर हो गया है. ऐसा मतलब बहुत रेयर चांस है कि बच्चा 2 महीने तक एक टॉय से खेल रहा है. इट्स पेरेंट्स लेजीनेस, राइट? क्योंकि करना तो पेरेंट को है ना, एक्सचेंज का पूरा प्रोसेस. सो इट्स एक्चुअली पेरेंट्स लेजीनेस. सो वी कीप पिंगिंग देम, नोटिफाइंग देम a bit here and there that hey, it's time that you exchange it.
But it still makes life so easier for the parents. Like, it's super cool, man. This is super cool. यार बट मेरे को अभी भी थोड़ा है वो ना, वो ब्रेकेजिंग वाला, ब्रेकेज और ये सब जो डैमेजेस और ये सब जो बात है ना, इसमें मैं अभी भी थोड़ा है ना वो नहीं हो पा रहा हूँ, लाइक कन्विंस नहीं हो पा रहा हूँ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मेरे घर पे डॉग है, ठीक है. अब अगर मैंने एक टॉय घर पे लाया है ना, वो उसके लिए नहीं भी हो, वो किसी के लिए भी वो टॉय होए, वो मुंह में लेगा, वो उस टॉय का बैंड बजा देता है, लाइक ख़त्म कर देता है वो टॉय को. वो टॉय तो उसके बाद रिप्लेस, मतलब वो कुछ
करना
भी,
ही पड़ेगा.
हाँ ऑफ कोर्स को, तो आप ऐसे मतलब स्क्रैप में भी निकाल दोगे तो वैसा वाला हालत पे वो टॉय आ जाता है. तो ऐसा सिनेरियोज में फिर
सो यार वो सिनेरियोज बहुत कम हुए हैं अभी. As I said, there are less than 100 toys that are broken. We have been very careful about dog bites, dog marks, etc. Sanitization is 100% done, so that's something that gets taken care. But you always see, right, there are marks, which mark is this, and all of that. As a process, as an SOP, it's very clear. The moment we see something like this, we can call the customer, reconfirm, and ask them, ma'am, probably this doesn't work for you, right? And you exchange or return them their money back. Or you take them an assurance that you will take care of it. We are happy to support, but only till a point of time that I can.
then that makes sense. So now that we are talking about creating India's first mobile app based subscription model for toys, okay, what was the more difficult part for you? Was it creating the tech, was it building the trust, or was it changing the behavior of the people? Because this is a complete behavior change, complete.
I think all had its stages. We took literally 9 to 10 months to build our tech. I come from a background of building ERP products as a consultant all my life. So perfection was something that you would always want. You're like, this is one chance. You can't just go with an MVP or a low value product and then suddenly face tantrums from people. So tech, we spent decent amount of time before we launched. The company got registered in August 22. We went live by September 23. Of course, some time was just slowed down, but otherwise we took a decent time of our tech. Once tech was done, the first thing that hit us, trust. I mean, day one, I'm telling somebody, pay me 10,000. And he's like, boss, कल तुमने दुकान खोली है और तुम मुझे बोल रहे हो कि 10,000 दे दो, मैं पक्का माल दूंगा. Hit us hard. Very honestly, hit us hard. कि ये तो difficult है. Then you of course get the early buyers, right? Every business has those early buyers. We got our early buyers, we got our early trust that kept us motivated कि यार ये करना है. Now where we are, it's all about behavioral change. At scale, it's a behavioral thing. मैं नाम के बिना आपको कह रहा हूँ, one of my very close friend, she doesn't have her subscription. Okay, I was like, what the hell? मतलब why will you not have it of all the people? She's like, यार मैं मेरे घर पे जो मेरी मदर इन लॉ है ना, वो मुझे कह रही है कि अब तुम लोग ऐसे हो गए कि तुम बच्चों के लिए खिलौने भी नहीं खरीद सकते हो. It's and she's like, I'm explaining her that this is as good as buying. Indeed, we are buying more. But she's like, no. She's like, I can't get that mindset walked down. Not a common mindset. Of course, in cities, people have moved to access over ownership.
But I understand where this is coming from.
But that's a behavioral thing. So people, how will this change is when they see their neighbor, right? The same friend called me probably about 10-15 days back that I'm just going out to travel after Diwali. I'll switch on your subscription. I said, अब क्या हो गया? तो उनके घर के नीचे, राइट, हमारा बॉक्स जाता था. ओके, और ऑफ कोर्स एक बच्चा रहता होगा, मदर इन लॉ और फ्रेंड्स. एंड देन when she saw her using it for more than 2-3 times very well, and she's like, there is nothing wrong. She came from front and told her, right, कि ले लो तुम भी. मतलब, so that is effectively where we are saying, and that was one of our point that we've learned is maybe we are just at that stage where we just need their neighbors to use it.
Correct.
So once the neighbor uses it, slowly, steadily that stigma goes off. People are aligned कि यार इससे फायदे तो बहुत है, बट कोई लोग क्या कहेंगे. मतलब वो लिटरली मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कुछ मॉडल्स होते हैं ना जिसमें लोग सोचेंगे कि लोग क्या कहेंगे. शायद हम वो मॉडल में तो नहीं है, बट I think this is a matter of time.
या आई मीन दिस इज जस्ट मोर प्रैक्टिकल. या मैं वो मेंटालिटी समझता हूँ कि वो आप तुम बोल रहे हो कि तुम अपने बच्चों के लिए खरीद नहीं पा रहे हो. इट इज नॉट अबाउट खरीदना, इट इज अबाउट सेविंग वेस्टेज. एंड व्हेन वी नो कि वो 3 महीने से ज्यादा टिकने ही नहीं
3 महीना,
बहुत
7 दिन, 10 दिन, आज का मतलब बच्चा तो 10 दिन है.
राइट. तो जब 10 दिन ज्यादा टिकने नहीं वाले तो आप वेस्टेज कम करो ना, एंड गिव द चाइल्ड समथिंग न्यू.
Yeah, absolutely. So, ये एक थोड़ा सा जनरेशनल शिफ्ट है, right? And this generation understands that very well. So maybe we are just, as I said, right now we are at that stage where behavioral change is a problem that we are trying to work on, and that can just get solved by more. आपका नेबर वाला जो है, बाजू वाला ले रहा है तो हम ले रहे हैं.
हम भी ले लेंगे. सही बात है, सही बात है. सोसाइटी में वही बात है कि अभी आपको ऑकवर्ड लग रहा है क्योंकि आप देखते हो कि कोई नहीं कर रहा है. जब सभी वो ले रहे हैं तो देन दैट इज द कॉमन थिंग टू डू.
Yeah, that's I still remember यार, मतलब 10 साल पहले प्ले ग्रुप में डालना वो लाइक पागल हो गए हो क्या, जैसे छोटे से टाबरों को तुम 18 महीने में 12 महीने में स्कूल डाल रहे हो, कोई बात हुई. अब तो मतलब someone like me who never wanted, I never believed that much to put a kid in that कि ठीक है, I was under so much of societal pressure that I had to put Anna to school at 18 months. नहीं नहीं बहुत ज़रूरी है, वो लोगों से कैसे मिलेंगी, घुलेगी मिलेगी कैसे. मैंने कहा भाई वो 4 बच्चे 8 बच्चे आटो के आटो नहीं बोल पाते हैं. What are you even going to talk over there?
राइट.
But we are under so much of societal pressure कि नहीं 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 18 मंथ्स में तो डालना पड़ेगा. अब तो गवर्नमेंट ने रूल डाल दिया कि 18 मंथ्स टू 2 years आप बच्चे को स्कूल डाल सकते हो, प्ले ग्रुप डाल सकते हो. सो इट्स अगेन अ बिहेवियरल चेंज. हम नहीं गए थे. आई एम श्योर वी स्टार्टेड विद नर्सरी एज आवर फर्स्ट year, which is probably 3.5 years, right? So that is how behavior changes. So we are also just on that line.
करेक्ट. इट्स एन एवोल्यूशन. इट विल टेक इट्स ड्यू टाइम, बट अर्ली मूवर्स का ऑलवेज एडवांटेज तो रहेगा ही अपने पास.
Absolutely.
डेफिनेटली. सो जो आप मेरे को बता रहे थे, जो आपके अर्ली कस्टमर्स थे, जो फ्यू जो कस्टमर्स थे, उनको आपने कैसे कन्विंस किया लाइक कि हाँ भाई पे भी करो, सब्सक्रिप्शन भी पे करो, सेकेंडली टॉयज खरीदना बंद करो, हमसे लेते जाओ. मतलब हाउ वाज दैट? वो तो भाई डिफिकल्ट फेज होगा.
I had one very clear thing that my first 100 customers will never be my friends.
ओके.
I was very clear. घर वालों को बेचा, दोस्तों को बेचा तो क्या ही बेचा, right? And आप सब कुछ छोड़ के बैठे हो तो you need to real buyers. We started with 5 cities. We were very clear we're not launching this as a pet project. So we started with a bang with 5 cities across India. Of course, first ways to sell was events. Very honestly, we have participated in kids events, societal events where we meet customers directly. 10 आएंगे 20 आएंगे, हम बोल रहे हैं, कुछ सुन नहीं पा रहे हैं, कुछ समझना नहीं चाहते हैं. वहाँ से थोड़ी जर्नी शुरू हुई. First month we could have 13 subscribers, then we reached about 62, and the third month we had about 100. So it took us about 3 months to go to 100 people, and we were lucky to have some good people. These were probably the GMs of some companies, some founders, some CEOs. So we realized one thing कि it is not a money thing कि बड़े होंगे तो वो लेंगे नहीं. Indeed, they understood it much faster because they value their money way better than what probably the lower class does. So that gave us a lot of insight. So our first initial sales were through hard sale, meeting them directly and selling it off. Online, we started with leads and then calling through an inside sales team. I think we have still not been able to crack a direct sale very, very well. कि it's smooth checkout जो होता है ना, आया बंदा, क्लिक किया, कूपन कोड डाला, बाहर आ गया. Still we are away from that. I mean हो रहे हैं but not to a great extent. So yeah, initial events, then your inside sales or calling team to explain and give them comfort that okay we
अबैंडन चेकआउट्स पे.
abandoned checkout से भी ज़्यादा हम leads पे ही कर देते हैं. Somebody who downloads our app, and so we know that that person has downloaded our app. We're not talking about. So we don't deal a lot in website, as I said, right? हमने बहुत recently website पे सारे transaction रखे. We always wanted to be app first as a brand. So everything happened on app, and then that is how it is. But yeah, those 100 customers took 3 months, almost 2.5 months, but gave us a lot of lessons and learnings. We started with a monthly plan. I shut down a monthly plan in less than 1.5 months.
Why? Tell me more about this.
It's a very interesting anecdote, right? आप मंथली प्लान चालू करते हो, इंडिया में एक एक महीना लोगों को बहुत दिखता है, राइट? अब जैसे जिम्स ने क्यों बंद किया? नो gyms today gives you 1 month.
अच्छा.
No gym, not a single gym you can find. They are ready to discount you by 50% for a year, but not for a month.
Oh, I had no idea about
It's
this.
a reselling. It's a reselling, right? And in our times there used to be monthly gyms. But now no more. Why? Because what you are saying is यार मैं आपको सेल करूँगा. हमने स्टार्ट किया था सितंबर में. वो टाइम पे शायद अक्टूबर नवंबर में दिवाली थी. और इनिशियल फ्यू कस्टमर्स कॉल्ड अप एंड सेड कि हम ये महीना नहीं ले रहे हैं क्योंकि हम दिवाली की छुट्टी में 4 दिन 5 दिन बाहर जा रहे हैं. ऐसे लेकिन बाकी 25 दिन तो हो ना. बोले नहीं, आने के बाद फिर रिन्यू करा लेंगे 5 दिन के बाद. एंड देन 2-3 ऐसे इंस्टेंस यू हैव टू बी अ लिटिल विजनरी ऑफ व्हाट कैन हैपन. एंड दैट वाज द थिंग यार. इंडिया में 4 बार वेकेशंस आती है, 3 बार एग्जाम्स आते हैं, 1-2 शादियां आती हैं. तो हर दूसरे महीने आप एक कस्टमर को कुछ ना कुछ तो 3-4 दिन के लिए मिलेगा ही. एंड यू कांट कीप डूइंग इट. सेकेंडली दे डोंट गेट दैट एंटायर जस्ट ऑफ गेटिंग हैबिचुएटेड टू इट इन अ मंथ. राइट. मैं एक महीने में उसको क्या ही बता दूंगा कि एक महीने में 2 एक्सचेंज हुए, उसको कुछ समझा ही नहीं कि कैसे हो सकता है.
वो एक पूरा साल का जर्नी
3-4 महीने बाद वो जर्नी बन जाता है. फिर दे आर यूज टू इट एवरीथिंग. सो दैट वाज समथिंग दैट वी वर वेरी क्लियर कि यार इवन इफ we are getting less customers, let's not have monthly. We started with quarterly and annual. That is what quarterly, half yearly and annual. Now we took away half yearly and then we moved to quarterly and annual. On a data perspective also, if I have to back, since it's for also the entrepreneurs, I was like, if we get 10 monthly people, how many can we convert into an annual? The answer in the best of books is 20 to 30%. That's the max that you can never expect. I mean,
50-50.
50, 60 or 80%, right? I said, and if I push these people all the 10 to buy an annual, how many will get converted? The answer was again 2 or 3. So I said, then why do I probably get in that journey of serving? Because we are servings. We are not a SaaS platform की number चालू हो गया और online सब चल रहा है. We have to actually serve
Yeah,
our toys. My toys are limited. There is an inventory thing that are
operational तो पूरा physical
पूरे
है.
physical है. तो that was another reason where we realized कि यार अगर मुझे उतना ही revenue पे बैठना है, तो I'll rather have focus on annual sales versus doing a monthly sale of the same number of people.
What was the something that the parents were most skeptical about in the first few months?
Leave apart some who said कि आप बंद हो जाओगे, उनको छोड़ देते हैं. That could have been the worst skepticism that you have. They were like, toys मेरे बच्चे तोड़ देंगे. My kid will break toys. So they were not anti our model, they were anti their own kid. भाई वो वापस ही नहीं करेगा, आप क्या वापस ले जाओगे? So they were more on that. Second was of course the hygiene, cleanliness that some of the parents had always think. Third was of course about availability. The smart ones who would want to be part of this, like, boss, कितना ही दोगे मुझे? What is your availability? What is your time and all of that? So those were some of the things. Then what happens is in a model like this, ना, मुझे ये वाला toy चाहिए. See, that's a very difficult thing to change. Now there are parents who will call me and say कि यार मुझे ना वो बैटमैन वाला लेगो चाहिए, आपके पास वो है क्या? Then I'll take your subscription. Now that is not what it is. We are like a library, right? You learn, unlearn, and then you probably decide whatever you want to buy. So that also was one of the reasons where people were like, do you have those exact toys that I need that way? So that have given us a lot of learnings, that there is an importance of number of units that you have, how do you scale up your inventory availability and all of that.
Where are we operating from right now?
So we have our sort of warehouses or dark stores across the country. We operate in 18 odd cities in India today. All major, all the metros, even cities like Ahmedabad, Raipur, Nagpur, Delhi, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai. All good cities, you'll find us delivering right at your doorstep. It's a hyper-local delivery. We used to run a librarian.
What is hyper-local delivery?
So hyper-local delivery is where you don't ship something outside a city. You're shipping it within, like Instamart, Zepto.
And your delivery partners are in-house or?
In-house. We run our own 2-wheeler, 3-wheeler, 4-wheeler, depending on how it is. See, it's a supply chain game at the end of the day. You can't courier a toy. There were investors actually who ended up saying, अरे तुम अकोला भी भेज दो ना, क्या है, courier ही तो करना है. I'm like, it's bulky. Either it's volumetric or it's heavy. So the cost of toys sending and getting it back is more than the toy cost.
Yeah.
So that way it never can work for you. So you will have to be hyper-local where it is hand-picked, hand-delivered. So that's how it works for us.
And then our people take care of the product much better than those delivery guys just throwing our parcel.
And then there are those other complications. So apart from building possibly India's first app-based toy library, we are also one of the very few building India's first supply chain for shareable goods. See, there is nobody who does this.
Right.
Swap on every time. There is nobody. There is no delivery. There is no ship rocket for us because they are saying, we spoke to all of them. They are saying that we will deliver through one partner. We'll pick it up through other partner.
Yes.
Now that customer can't experience it. पहले आप पिक वाला भेज रहे हो, पहले आप ड्रॉप वाला भेज रहे हो, it doesn't work. So same time exchanges, yes, Amazon has now started a bit of RTO, but that's 1% of their total orders. Our 100% order is every time RTO. There is something that will be returned 100% of the time. So that way we have to build a very nice but complicated supply chain on that.
But I think it is complicated for our end, but it is very, very easy for the customer.
Absolutely, yes.
Like this is making it.
It's very easy. I mean, after probably you'll see some videos where a kid will dance, give the old box, take the new box. It's an experience for them.
Exactly. They are also looking forward to that. Plus, the parents have to deal with only one person at one time.
Exactly.
दो बार घर पे नहीं रहने का. Like आप समझ रहे हो what I'm trying to say?
That's a way. And then अगर वो पहले ले जाता तो भाई मेरा कस्टमर केयर पागल हो जाता.
हाँ.
कि मेरे ले तो चले गए, वापस कब आएगा, कितनी देर में आएगा, मेरा बच्चा रो रहा है, और बच्चा देगा ही नहीं पहली बात तो. See, a lot of people also, there was one skepticism that you spoke about. One of the skepticism that we had was कि my kid will not return the toy. Okay. Now there is something called as a key theory, right? अभी उसमें क्या है कि आप बच्चे के पास एक चाबी है, आपको वो चाबी चाहिए, आप उसको दूसरी चाबी दे दो, वो दे देगा. उसको उस चाबी से मतलब ही नहीं था, उसको सिर्फ उसके हाथ में कुछ होना चाहिए वाला पॉइंट है. सेम थिंग गोज फॉर अस. द मोमेंट दे सी कि यार ये दूंगा तो नया मिलेगा, they are ready to give. So that a lot of parents had skepticism, but once they saw the first exchange, they were all aligned.
Absolutely. I'm going to recommend this to a lot of people. I think it would make a lot of sense too. But yeah, this is such a cool model, yaar. Genuinely. Chalo, let's quickly jump on to our rapid fire round, okay? As the name suggests, the answers have to be pretty rapid. No thinking time. जो भी मन में आता है बोल दो. गलत भी हो सकता है. It's anything but wrong. So, let's start. What does success mean to you?
Something that outlasts you. जिंदगी के साथ भी, जिंदगी के बाद भी. मतलब you should, if I'm there.
Yeah, makes sense.
It has to be अमर हो जाओ.
Nice. The weirdest thing you've heard a customer say about the elephant?
The weirdest thing that I have seen कि ये कंपनी बंद हो जाएगी. इनके तो टॉय वापस ही नहीं आने वाले हैं. मतलब two aunties laughing.
Right.
The stall ones.
Yeah, we have to prove them only wrong. That only gives us so much pleasure. कि आंटी क्या बोल रहे थे आप? One habit that keeps you productive every day.
Making a checklist of what is to be done. एक मैंने थोड़ी सी हैबिट डाली है कि यार 2 मिनट का काम है तो खत्म कर दो.
इसको प्रोक्रेस्टिनेटिंग करते हैं.
हाँ, मतलब उसको कल करेंगे वाला मत करो. Of course, I have not reached 100%. I have still 98-99%. But I think that is something that if I can do, probably that will make productive.
I think everyone needs to do that. Like everyone does that.
2 मिनट वाला काम बस कर दो.
कर लो बस. हाँ, सही बात है. 100%. What's the biggest myth about entrepreneurship?
That it's swag. It's swaggy. It's fantastic.
Bro, I swear most people get into this thinking it's so cool. I want to be an entrepreneur. I want to have a startup of my own. It is so cool. It looks so cool. Yeah, it does look cool on your Instagram. That's it. It doesn't feel cool when you are sleeping at night if you've not thought it through. Like
no, I mean, I don't. You can edit this, but I'm just saying because this question. And suppose, for an example, I'm hurt today. I can't. My mind also doesn't think that I have to be on off. And coincidentally, the auto guy left me probably 100 meters away, saying that it's a one-way. I had to actually walk down.
So actually, no. This area rickshaws don't come only. Rickshaws end.
Correct. वो मेरे को पता नहीं था, है ना? तो you can't think. My mind doesn't say, oh, where am I now? What is this happening? That's not easy mentally, right? Every time you hear someone saying you. I mean, मैंने life में यार, I've been a good student, I've been a good boss, I've been a good employee. You take those investors saying, no, we can't, we don't think what you're thinking is making sense. And then again pitch to a new investor. It's not swag, it's not...
See, ये तो आप बहुत आगे की स्टेजेस की बात कर रहे हो.
हाँ, मैं तो बेसिक लेवल पे पटक जाऊँ.
मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ, आप अपने ब्रांड चालू कर दिया और आपका वो सेल नहीं हुआ जो आपने सोचा था. फिर क्या? Do you have a plan for after that? That is something like people need to understand कि brand खोलना is not cool, उसको चलाना is cool.
Cool, correct.
उसको चलाते रहो, that is much cooler. एक vision होना चाहिए, what I feel. But yeah, I totally agree, bro. Swag नहीं है. The first thing you'd do if you had 48 hours off from today.
No, so one is I would play with my daughter cricket.
Of course.
ठीक है मतलब I so very wish those imaginary moments that you go in a place where there's a big lawn.
Yeah.
You put 3 stumps and you're bowling and she's batting, and then there are no phones, there are no laptops. Of course, I make sure that I play with her every evening. But yeah, that's sort of a vacation where probably I will not need even my wife. I'll be happy with her.
That's so sweet. That's really nice. One thing you learn from kids that adults forget.
That it's okay to let go. It doesn't matter. If you'll see, kids never have ego. सुबह जिससे झगड़ा करके आएंगे कि आज के बाद मैं तुमसे जिंदगी में कभी बात नहीं करूंगी,
शाम को उसी के साथ.
शाम को उसी के साथ है. So the ego with them, with they operate at, is fantastically low, and that is something that if as adults also, if we can continue, right, that's something that can go for long.
Wow, that is something to think about. Yeah. Describe the elephant in one word.
Too many words, but probably a friend. Not just for the kids, not just for the parents, but for us, for employee, for everybody. That's why the name is more human.
Very thoughtful answer these guys. Yeah?
अब रैपिड फायर का मैं थोड़ा चीट कर रहा हूँ.
A quote or mantra you live by.
Just stay there. Just stay there. That's it. मतलब if it is to happen, it will happen. Don't doubt.
That brings us to the end of the rapid fire round. Very good rapids. Like, genuinely, this was one of the best rapid fire answers I've heard from my guests. Like, wow, very thoughtful. So, when I was doing my research on the brand, one of the most favorite things जो मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा attractive लगी थी वो थी आपके home based librarians. Correct? So, tell me more about that. कि वो idea कैसे आया and how is that working for you now?
The final chase, it's no more working. Okay. Okay, I'll come to that story also. Why and how, what happens. When we were starting this brand, right, one of the thing was that, okay, it's a good idea, everything is fine. Now let's talk about supply chain. And we ended up realizing that supply chain will need multiple places to ship and drop, right? It has to be hyperlocal, it needs to be delivered fast with a limited cost. We were like, who can do this the best? So as a person, I've always been that there has to be a way to empower a woman, not the ones that have not studied, but the ones that have been educated and maybe after wedding, after kids have decided not to work, they actually need to do something, right? So we thought, why not club both the ambition and make them a librarian. They can start a library at their home. Probably it was needing one wall space, 4 racks we used to store. And the idea was that orders are done through the platform. They will pack, keep ready, and then we will deliver it to wherever we want to. It worked well. We reached about 100 odd librarians. We had about 100 odd women who were part of us as a family that were doing. It didn't work out on 2-3 aspects. One of the biggest was availability of toys. So we did realize after a point of time that वो 600-700 जो इनिशियल टॉयज हमने भरे हैं ना, those are not enough for parents. They need more variety. Now there is of course no space left at that home. In majority of the cases, they've actually cut down all the space that they would have had. And then parents now needed those large toys, battery operated cars, slides, trampoline. अब वो एक ही घर में नहीं आता है तो
आप ये सब भी देते हो?
अब वो सब भी ऐड हुआ है.
Oh wow.
सो देन जब वो ऐड हुआ तो हमने कहा कि यार वो एक घर में नहीं आ रहा है, हाउ डू आई एक्सपेक्ट देम टू स्टोर 5-10 pieces of it. So that was one reason. Second, it got a little after 13, 14, 15 orders a day, it got a little tricky for them to manage it because packing is easy, but while return you have to clean, sanitize 45 plus toys, right? 13 orders, 15 orders into 3. So it again became a bit of a challenge that way for us and for them. Thirdly, and this is more for the brand, we always thought they will also be our brand ambassador. They'll promote us, sell us. But जो choice of people थे, they were, of course, if you are investing about 8-10 lakh rupees to become a librarian, you're not a middle class or a low middle. You're definitely an upper middle or good to do. Now for them, selling doesn't come naturally. They can promote, they can say, but they can't go ahead and say कि भाई पैसे भरो. So that was also not something that added value to us after a point of time, right? So it became a little tricky for us broadly because of availability and service levels. So we moved to an entirely dark store model or our own model stock that we now keep, and our people manage that. They still work as our brand ambassadors in subtle way of whoever is working and whoever can. So that is where it is. But yes, our main intent was to promote women entrepreneurship to the core. And I still feel this, and I say this very openly always, that if someone can figure out a way to use my dead space at home, use the dead time that a lady has in her hand, which she can't do anything about, uh, they can make a big business out of it, right? And that was our idea and intent at that point of time.
So, यार मेरे को एक बात बताओ, the idea was very nice. Why you did that was very nice, but stopping that is difficult. It makes you feel guilty. It makes you feel sorry. It makes you feel that you are doing something wrong to these women now. How did you take that?
One of the first thing that I have learned after maybe 5-6 months of being an entrepreneur to this core was you'll have to accept that you can be wrong, right? And I have now started to take this very humbly. This is my idea, boss. I'm telling you, my imagination, my dream was I'm sitting in middle and there are 1,000 ladies behind me and we are a force. We are standing like this in a picture. This is the dream that I have always lived for the first probably a year. To accept कि नहीं ये नहीं काम कर रहा है was first in me. So then वो हुआ. Then we sort of explained them. Some of them, of course, understood that there was a problem because they themselves are part of it, right? And this was more a family. I used to do a call with all of them every alternate Saturday. So we were talking like a family. Everybody knew everybody. So it was a lot of comrades that we have created between. So yes, it was difficult, but I made sure that we speak to each one of them, explain them, understand, and they were quite courteous enough to understand because they themselves are realizing the problem. See, at the end of the day, anybody and everybody who had joined us believed in the mission more of giving toys to child versus their own businesses, right? So that was easy. So they themselves realized that if we have to give toys to kids and make them move away from phone and digital distraction, maybe this is the right approach.
Makes sense. Makes sense. So now, why not bring those women only to your dark stores?
As I said, they are way above the normal caliber. And if they could have moved out of their home, they would have done a job. I mean, I had an IIM, I had an IIT, and I have 23 chartered accountants. We had 28, 29 engineers, we have graphic designers. These were very well educated people who were part of it.
But they're not able to move out.
They're not able to move out. That's why they are sort of stuck. And I'll tell you one of the incident which was a heartbreaking incident when we stopped it. One of the member or librarian, we used to call them, right? She just told me, ki, forget whatever you guys are doing. I now have a card. We used to give them a digital business card. She's like, I got a business card or my own identity after 6 years of my life. I was literally treated like whatever, but now I proudly say that I'm a librarian. And it's a positive word, right? I'm an elephant librarian. I handle this. That was a moment for us that, okay, you're doing something right for them. But of course, turn back to accept because sometimes you have to look at the larger aspect. So if they could have moved out, all of them would have come out. But I mean, they couldn't. That was the whole intent. They had absolutely no option. And still in India, uh, the opportunities post work, post marriage, and post kid is very less. If India has to, I mean, we keep hearing 5 trillion economy, this, that, etc. If you have to be a 5 trillion economy, your 25% of the population that is sitting at home and educated needs to do something here. If they are not financially independent, there is absolutely nothing as a nation you can achieve. And these are the best crowds, right? I mean, हमारी community में बहुत है. हम खुद जानते हैं यार, लोग मतलब वाइफ हो रही है तो घर पे ही बैठ रही है, पढ़ी लिखी, सब कुछ है. But and I don't deny that they should choose between personal or professional. Of course, I belong to that philosophy कि uh, if a woman is running a family, the family is way better, growing up in all senses. बच्चे हो, family की bonding हो, सब कुछ है. But उनकी personal identity नहीं खो सकती. They shouldn't lose that at all. So yeah, if someone can bring out a model that can use them sitting at their place and not do that sort of a job. So I mean, you'll say कि अरे वो होते हैं ना calling वाले job, वो होते हैं ना email लिखने वाले. No यार, boss, you're talking about way learned and educated people.
Correct.
They can't be doing those kind of jobs.
Efficiently उनको use करो.
पैसा नहीं चाहिए, उनको identity चाहिए. Right? They will never do sales. So someone said there are brands who those women will sell on those brands, right? Mishos and all of that. They are not Misho people. they are looking for identity which is at par with their community where they stay.
Correct. That is a very, mindset wala game. That is not financially, that is nothing.
Nothing to do with, I mean, the amount of money that we were paying to them for a month, that the amount they would be spending on a weekday, right? Weekend पे तो उसका double spend कर रहे हैं. And that is where they belong to. One of the librarian was our investor, running a 200 crore of profitable company or industry. उसकी wife एक librarian है. तो मतलब that was the sort of, so they don't need money. They wanted identity.
Makes sense, bro. Makes sense. What is the one most inspiring story you've heard from one of these?
One of the most inspiring thing was that someone, I mean, related to identity to a certain extent, but I still remember one person came to me and said that मैं कुछ नहीं कर पा रही थी because I can't go out. There was so much inside me that I would rather finish myself because my brain खाली रह के सिर्फ गंदा ही सोच रहा है, सिर्फ झगड़ा ही सोच रहा है, right? With the family or with the husband or with the in-laws, etc. My kid was not respecting me because she's like, आप तो घर बैठे रहते हो, आप करते ही क्या हो? This, when they sort of took it, she's like, I would have literally, I don't know how real it is, but she literally mentioned to me that I would have maybe not there in this world probably 6-8 months later because so much inside me was killing me. But once I had work, she used to be the best librarian, best. Matlab, every order she'll clean it, she'll pack it like as if it's going a new treasure box. And that is what they had. It sort of inspired us that small things, if you can change in people's day routine, right, can really add a lot of value to them. And those were some of the very positives that we used to carry our brand with. Okay, you used to feel good, whatever is happening with the brand, but you used to feel good that there are people to back you. There are people who support you. We don't have that sort of inspiring where somebody would have earned many money because it was not a money making model for sure. Not a lot of money making model, but the most of the stories are around the fact that what were they and what suddenly they became after they started doing work back again. Yeah, some of them went back to job. So when we stopped this, they became strong enough to tell their family that I'm now going out and working. And that change is there. So out of 100, probably I know 7 or 8 of them who has now moved out of their home.
That is also a big thing.
Yeah, absolutely. They never thought that they can do some work.
Yeah. Confidence gain
हो गया कि आपको टेक आता है, कॉन्फिडेंस गेन हो गया, आप समझ सकते हो, कॉन्फिडेंस गेन हो गया, आप कॉर्पोरेट में बात कर सकते हो, दे यूज्ड टू डू कॉल्स विद अस, कॉन्फिडेंस गेन हो गया कि आपको गूगल मीट वीट ये वो, जब लोग बोलते थे कि मेरा मीट पे कॉल है और आप बोल रहे हैं मेरे पास तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. So a lot of things for them changed.
Correct. Absolutely. पूरा एक learning journey है उनके लिए तो, और एक बार once you enter that journey, why step out वाला बात हो जाती.
Wherever, whoever could do it, some of them I know have taken some other franchisee saying कि यार ये तो operationally बंद हुआ है, but let us do something because now we are confident. So it gave a lot of boost.
That is also a very good thing, very good feeling, 100%. You've been in finance, supply chain, and now toys. ठीक है? What is one business principle that has always stayed consistent, like constant?
I will value integrity over anything.
Elaborate, please.
So what I mean by integrity or ethics or ethos of doing business, you need to be very clear what is right and what is wrong.
Okay.
You can't decide what is right and what is wrong based on the business situation, right? So suppose if you're doing finance, I used to do a lot of consulting and audit work for a lot of large companies. I used to recommend them that this is going wrong. There were a lot of opportunities where people would have said, ये मत दिखाओ, ये मत बताओ, है ना, मत छोड़ दो, let's discuss, let's put it out. I was very clear there has to be a way to show it. I'm not going to budge down. Same goes for supply chain. Supply chain is already being defamed for people making money side by side and everything. Same goes for our customers today, that you cheat them, you do this, that, etc. I think whether you have an opportunity to make extra money, whether you have an opportunity to do wrong to people, one thing that stayed with me is, boss, I have to be very clear. This is what it is. If I think one statement that way, if I have to tell you, I have always been fair versus being good. So I will do something that's more fair than not just being good. कि किसी ने कह दिया तो उसके लिए वो कर लो. आप integrity और ethics बहुत clear रखो business में.
Makes sense. If you had to give one piece of advice to someone looking to leave their job and starting something of their own, something meaningful, what would your way be? What should they do?
2 things. One, leave the job completely. don't do side hustle. ठीक है, don't ever think of doing side hustle. Leave the job completely. Feel that pinch and hunch in you to go. Don't create backups. Never. Don't create कि ये नहीं चला. The day you make that statement ना, ये नहीं चला मैं ये कर लूँगा, you should move out of that directly. You should be so much into it. Spend everything that you have. I've seen founders who will not put in their money and wait for investment. You can't run. You have to be all in if you're starting. Second, your first 100 customers and first investors also should never be your friends and family. I mean, there are people who will probably counter argue that, but I'm okay with it.
No, I also feel your first investor shouldn't be friends and family. Investors, so definitely. Customers, you cannot control.
No, it's okay. मतलब I'm saying कि you can't go and sell to all your friends first.
Yeah, 100%.
ऐसा मैं कह रहा हूँ कि यार पहले 100 में किसी ने ले लिया होगा तो ले लिया होगा, मैंने नहीं बेचा.
हाँ, मतलब हमने खाली अनाउंस किया कि हमने लाइव कर दिया, कोई ना कोई फ्रेंड या फैमिली तो होएगा कि वाह नमन ने चालू किया, लेट्स गो एंड बाय इट, बस वो अलग बात
हाँ,
है.
बट आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि हे तूने खरीदा क्या, तूने खरीदा. सो if you can sell it to 100 people outside your circle, 100 new people, I think you're in a right business. And maybe the third one, the day you doubt your business, I think that day you should just put down the boots. The day you feel कि यार शायद इससे अच्छा तो मैं जो कर रहा था ना वही था, and that should be the end for you. Because as a founder, the day you start doubting, right, there's no way that you can come up.
But tell me something, I feel a little different about it. As a founder, मेरे को तो बहुत बार सेल्फ डाउट्स आया एंड आई थिंक दैट इज गुड टू कीप मी ग्राउंडेड ऑल्सो. लाइक यू नो सेल्फ डाउट कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, मैं सही कर रहा हूँ, डर लगता है, कॉन्फिडेंस आपका हिल जाता है, बट यू कम आउट ऑफ इट, यू कम आउट स्ट्रॉन्गर.
So there is a difference between self-doubt and doubting what you're doing.
Okay.
I'm saying doubting. So if supposedly पहले महीने, दूसरे महीने, तीसरे महीने 100 कस्टमर आए, ठीक है, एंड वी स्टार्ट डाउटिंग भाई ये कोई लेगा ही नहीं, ठीक है, 6 महीने निकल गए, हमें ऑलमोस्ट 9-10 मंथ्स लगे 1000 कस्टमर तक पहुंचने में, भाई ये कोई नहीं खरीदेगा. देयर आर पीपल हु आर टेलिंग अस कि ये कोई नहीं लेने वाला. मेरे मुंह पे बोल के गए ऑन अ इवेंट, क्या ही बेच रहे हो तुम, बहुत कम बट हुआ है, ठीक है, मे बी समथिंग लाइक शार्क टैंक दैट वी वुड हैव हैड. तो यू कांट डाउट व्हाट यू आर डूइंग. ऑफ कोर्स मतलब मैं आज खुद कहता हूँ कि यार मेरी मार्केटिंग ख़राब है, I need to improve on marketing, I need to improve on content, I need to improve on storytelling. There is something wrong that we are doing, there is something that we are not able to appreciate our customers for. That is definite doubts that you should have, but my borderline is very clear that I am into this, I am not moving out of this. The day you decide कि क्या इससे better मैं toy बेच लूँ, that's the day that you should decide to just start selling toys only.
Correct.
So I'm more on that कि मतलब the day you say यार in your case डेनिम नहीं यार कॉटन ही बेच लेते.
So actually this happened in my shift also. जब when I told you I was in fast fashion before this, correct? So fast fashion के वक्त मुझे यही लग रहा था कि मैं क्या बेच रहा हूँ, ये मैं खुद भी नहीं पहन के बाहर जाऊंगा, लेकिन मैं क्यों बेच रहा हूँ. रादर मेक थिंग्स जो कूल लगे, जो मैं खुद पहन के बाहर, जो इसका थोड़ा लॉन्गेटिविटी थोड़ा रहे. And denim has longevity, like.
So that if you would have spent more than 3 months to take that call and put the boot off, then you have lost a lot of things. मतलब जिस दिन ये ख्याल आ गया ना एंड बहुत प्रैक्टिकली आ गया, उस दिन आप छोड़ दो.
Correct.
You should not even go back. And there might be stories यार, but rarest of rare stories है.
Correct.
मतलब वो तो क्या है कि किसी ने भाई बनाया ही नासा टाइप का प्रोडक्ट था और वो उसी पे डाउट, मतलब साइंटिस्ट कैन कम आउट ऑफ इट, राइट, कि मेरा क्यों मैच नहीं हो रहा है, पागल हो गया हूँ मैं. दैट्स साइंटिस्ट बिहेवियर, दैट्स नॉट अ फाउंडर बिहेवियर. यू कांट रन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स.
Correct. No, that makes sense. I can connect, like I can understand why. So let's talk about the big elephant in the room now. How was the Shark Tank experience?
It was fantastic, yeah.
Like, what was your feeling while you were pitching elephant to the sharks?
It was fantastic. I've been vocal even at the sets and all of that, so everybody was friends. As a concept, you are very jovial, right?
Okay.
I mean, you can't be sad thinking about toys. ठीक है, तो हमारे पास ऐसे कोई सैडनेस वाले कोई टाइम ही नहीं होते थे या स्ट्रेस का कोई टाइम नहीं होता था. यू आर वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट ऑन व्हाट यू आर बिल्डिंग. So the experience was phenomenal all the 3 days that we were there, even to pitching to Shark. I mean, the only shocking thing was भाई वो इतने दूर बैठे हैं. This is easy. That's like they're sitting eye to eye contact नहीं था.
And you have to speak louder than. Yeah.
Then and yeah, I'm not used to that. I'm
Correct.
normal in speaking. So वो सब छोड़ दो, but it was a fantastic experience. I think मतलब कोई बोले कुछ भी हुआ, मैं तो बोलूँ यार हर एक जन को जाके वो एक्सपीरियंस अगर ले सकते हो ले लो. है ना. पीपल से कि नहीं, हमें हमारी कंपनी के बारे में बहुत बताना पड़ता है, हमारा प्रोडक्ट कॉमन हो जाएगा. मैंने कहा कुछ नहीं है. दैट मोमेंट्स विल गेट यू अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. एंड आई विल से दैट, एंड शायद वो कट भी हुआ है सीन, बट when we went in, we were confident to get 5 on 5. There's nothing wrong in the business, right? It's scalable. It's something that solves a problem. It's something that connects with the audience. It's good to be associated. You've already got fundraise. You've got one of the best investors on board. You're confident that everything with you is right, and probably we're not able to click anyone. Yeah, I mean, it was disappointing to a certain sense, but yeah, that was a learning, that there is a way to explain. I learned a lot of it that day. That 1.5 hour really changed my perception on many things.
So why do you think that we did not close anyone also out of the fire? Like, why did we not raise investment that day?
One was I went very, so if you would have seen that episode also, jitna kata bhi hai, so it was a very big monologue with Piyush. In reality, that monologue went for more than 30 minutes. Okay, and he's asking something, of course, maybe right, wrong, whatever. I believe in my business, so as a person, you are too into it, right? I could have just said that day, Piyush, I'll get back to you, and would have changed the topic. Probably that was one error that continued.
But what did you say?
I ended up answering all his questions and actually challenging all his questions. And because you have seen the world, I'm not probably a naive founder of 20-year-old, right? So you have seen the world, you have seen people, you have been with these sort of people. So you were not very afraid of talking to them. But sometimes that becomes your problem.
But yeah, we think कि ये confidence देख के they will be impressed.
हाँ, and confidence देख के दिल में impressed, awareness देख के दिल में impressed, but कभी-कभी वो ना, there is a slight line between ego, hurt versus impact. Our jokes fell flat that day. There were 3 or 4, I think 1 or 2 only they showed, but 3 or 4 jokes that we would have mentioned fell really badly on our face on that day. Maybe they were in some other mood, I guess. I don't know. And of course, as a person, I have a very sarcastic way of joking, so I can't change that, right? But I'm sure I'm talking to intellects, so that those jokes go well. But वो दिन कुछ होगा नहीं चला. That monologue became a thing. Too much of discussion around our librarian model versus our core that we are offering to our parent. Right? I mean, our business is not library. Our business was selling libraries or memberships to people and parents.
That is the business model. Yeah, the idea, this was just a brownie point.
Correct. And of course, they couldn't understand a franchising. There's a way to do franchises. So we had innovated a franchise model. Now I tell this with full confidence. पहले तो मुझे लगता था कि इसमें क्या इनोवेशन है, बट अब मुझे जेन्युइनली लगता है कि हाँ ठीक है, इट वाज एन इनोवेशन और इनोवेटिव वे वेयर यू आर नॉट यूजिंग योर रियल एसेट, real estate, you're not using your money, you're not using your manpower, and you're running a business, right? I had everything. I had zero rental cost, I had zero manpower cost, I had no investment in my toys. We made ourselves asset light, which is the biggest requirement for a business like
How come no investment in toys? Acha, the franchisee only is buying.
Yeah, so we sort of made it very smartly. I mean, we couldn't have scaled to whatever we scaled
Without a model
like that. I had 1.5 crore rupees. Come what में, यहाँ से मारा, वहाँ से मारा, इधर कर लिया, उधर कर लिया, इसको बेचा, उसको बेचा, 1-1.5 crore थे मेरे पास. अब now you can do 2 things. Either open 1 or 2 centers and keep running peacefully, or you think of a way that ये 1.5 crore नहीं लगाने, but कुछ कहीं से तो पैसा लाना है, right? And scale this up. We started with 11 franchisees without even our product. So I can explain why this was a fantastic model. Of course, we also have moved out of it for different operational reasons.
The model was fantastic.
Exactly. And I would not deny that at all. So maybe that Piyush runs a franchise himself. बहुत स्टैंडर्ड फ्रेंचाइजिंग है. आपने लेंसकार्ट की फ्रेंचाइज ली, अब आप चलाओ, तो इट बिकेम अ लिटिल ट्रिकी फॉर हिम कि यार ये क्या मॉडल है. There were few. Anupam was right, probably, that maybe this is heavily operational. I agree. They were like, this is heavily operational. I said, boss, I mean, I did say in limited words, and of course that was cut, but my answer is, you tell me one business that has grown as not heavily operational. I mean, Zomato is not a business of tech. It's a business of 2 lakh riders.
Yeah, it's a fleet of riders.
It's a fleet of riders. It's completely operational. भाई वेज नॉन वेज भी कर देते हो ना, तो समझ में आ जाता है जोमेटो क्या है. एक दिन ये धरने पे बैठ जाए, सब धरा का धरा रह जाएगा. ठीक है, इट्स एन ऑपरेशनल बिजनेस. Now talk about any business that you take today, from Cars on Rent to Cars24 to any good business that people would have made. It's all operational.
Correct.
SaaS is different. शायद सॉफ्टवेयर बिक गए, B2B अलग बात है, बट B2C
वो तो बिजनेस ही अलग होता
बिजनेस ही अलग है. बट कोई बड़ा बिजनेस, if it doesn't get into operations, it can't change anything. Trading can never become a business. I mean, it can. It's a decent business to earn money, big money, everything. But you can't make
है ट्रेडिंग एज इन मार्केट
trading as in कहीं से प्रोडक्ट खरीदा, कहीं से बेच दिया. There is you'll have to get into operations a lot more,
100%.
right? After a point of time, that trading will have to become manufacturing. Then it will have to become retail store. Then it will have to become brand play.
एंड टू एंड कंट्रोल.
सब आने ही पड़ेगा. तो इट्स ऑपरेशनल. तो उनको लगा ये बहुत ऑपरेशनल है कि भाई पहले माल लो, फिर माल दो, फिर वापस लो. तो आई सेड दैट्स माय मोट. मैं आज इतनी कॉन्फिडेंटली आपको सब इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि शायद इसमें घुसने से पहले 1000 बार आदमी सोचेगा कि भाई ये इतना इजी है नहीं.
बट
टॉय बेच लेते हैं.
मॉडल वर्केबल है.
मॉडल वर्केबल है.
डिफिकल्ट है तो है, बट मॉडल वर्केबल
ओला,
है.
मुझे 2014 में 15 में आई वाज वर्किंग विद मेरू, ठीक है, ऑन कंसल्टिंग एंड एवरीथिंग. वी एग्जैक्टली न्यू व्हाट दे डूइंग. आई ऑलवेज थॉट दिस इज फैंटास्टिक. And when Ola just started, we were like, boss, this needs to be done. This can be. But I was always worried because I've seen Meru struggling with drivers. गाड़ी नहीं मिल रही, ड्राइवर फोन नहीं उठा रहा है, पूरे दिन ड्राइवर ड्राइवर ड्राइवर. मतलब MD बैठ के ड्राइवर का बोल रहा है कि प्लीज हमारे कस्टमर से अच्छे से बात करो. सो मच ऑफ ऑपरेशन. आज ओला वही करा ना. मतलब टू टू रन 10 lakh cars and have a sleepful, I mean maybe a sleepless night, कि भाई कोई ड्राइवर कहीं गलत ना कर दे, राइट?
क्यों मेरू खुद को अपग्रेड नहीं कर पाया?
मेरू खुद को अपग्रेड नहीं कर पाया बिकॉज मेरू को लगा कि ये ऐप क्या ही चलेगा. I mean, one liner as maybe not an insider, but somebody who was just associated. They could have gone on to app way faster.
Yeah, because they had the resources much better than Ola.
They were working on that pager model. Phone करो, ठीक है? It just changed. The app use in India in 2014 to 16 just boomed up, and that killed someone like Meru who took almost 5 years, 4 years, 5 years to decide कि अच्छा अब हमारा ऐप भी बनाते हैं. They were like नहीं, लोग फ़ोन करेंगे, लोगों को हाथ दिखाने वाले टैक्सी से फ़ोन टैक्सी चाहिए. Instant was everything even then, right? Now if you talk to me, I will go back to Meru. But I wish Meru was there to that extent. Because अब मैं परेशान हो गया हूँ, वो गोला घूमता रहता है. आज ही की बात है, मुझे ऑटो में क्यों आना पड़ा. पहले एक टैक्सी कैंसिल हुई, फिर एक ड्राइवर बोला मैं नहीं आ रहा हूँ, फिर 12 मिनट तक दूर वाले कैब मिला. मैंने कहा भाई मैंने हाथ दिखाया, ऑटो मिला, मैं चला गया. Though it was Malad to San, it was far, but I was like, boss, I'll have to leave. I can't keep waiting. In this sense, if somebody would have picked up my phone, I would have called them maybe about 7-8 minutes before and they would have arranged my cab. I would have paid 100 rupees extra. So now Meru model can rework, very honestly.
But now what are they doing?
नहीं, अब तो they are more into airport taxis but I mean I'm not connected. That's why Blue Smart worked ना, मतलब to a good extent. Blue Smart was just giving, भाई आप बता दो, आधे घंटे बाद अपने आप आ जाएगा, गोला गोला घूमता हुआ देखना ही नहीं है आपको. Don't have to call someone, don't have to pick someone, nothing. Just simple book and order. So yeah.
Makes sense. That brings us to the last two questions for the day. One still being associated to Shark Tank. Did being on the tank change the business in any way or your mindset in any way? Ki, yeah, maybe.
No, yes, it did. And I would say Shark Tank was sort of an eye-opener to a certain extent that is it too operational for library model? And that is where we started to, I used to explain myself always, नहीं हम, you know, we are empowering them, कर लेंगे, हो जाएगा. But probably after that and even before the show aired, just before that, I was not knowing what will be aired. Right after that day, after probably 1 hour of whatever morning that I would have done, the first thing that I did was, we'll have to think about a library model. Not on the financial, but on the operational. That they never spoke. But while I was speaking,
खुद को ही realize.
it's like self-counter realization. So that happened very, very well. That would have been a learning that was there. One another learning that on Shark Tank told me after this entire thing, it's okay. People will understand maybe later, will not understand. There are ways that they see it. I think that was one of my first check in the box जो आज stories आप सुनते हो ना, I was rejected by 100 investors and then someone backed me out. I have pitched 290 models and all of that. That was probably my first on the national TV wala scene, because we have always got a very positive response to what we are doing. Even if people have not invested, they're like, sounds interesting, let's stay in touch, let's keep going. And they would be doing that from front. Up kahan pahunche, up kahan pahunche, up kahan pahunche. Of course, we always knew that there has to be an MVP or a value achieved. But that was something where I had really expected and accepted कि ठीक है, not everybody will understand, you're not here for everybody. And that stayed. Now after that, probably any investor says a no, I'm more than happy to probably.
हाँ ठीक है, वो तुम्हारे को समझ में नहीं आया, किसी और को समझ में आ जाएगा. चीज़ गलत नहीं
चीज़
है.
गलत नहीं है. And that's my only thing कि चीज़ गलत नहीं है ना, आपको चीज़ गलत लगी. So they had absolutely zero feedback on the library. They all were, and what Anupam also summarized at the end in the episode, this is genuinely, when you say this, it's wow. Not just for the parent, for the investors, for everybody. So one thing, they were also aligned कि यार ये model आना चाहिए. Maybe they were not okay with our operational style, which I'm okay with. So but it thought कि यार ठीक है, there can be disconnects even at a large scale. And you need to build, you need to be good at it.
You have to prove yourself a little bit more कि देखो आपको जो गलत लग रहा था, मैंने उस मॉडल में भी देखो ये कर दिया है, तो अब आगे का बताओ. मतलब
And it has sometimes what happens है, कभी कभी मुझे लगता है यार थोड़ा सा भी अगर आपका ईगो नहीं कहूँगा, बट कभी कभी आपको लगता है ना सब कुछ राइट ही हो रहा है, तो ऐसी चीज़ें हो जाए तो अच्छा भी है. तो आई डोंट एंड आई एक्चुअली कॉल द शार्क टैंक टीम दिस ईयर, सेइंग मैंने सुना है आप पुराने वाले को वापस ले रहे हो, तो आई एम मोर देन हैप्पी टू कम बैक, राइट. आई हैव नो प्रॉब्लम इन गोइंग बैक टू दैट टैंक, prove again that hey, there were things that you couldn't understand, there were things that we have changed now, and why not look at it again. So I'm more than okay to go back again, and this time I'm probably more sure that it will be a 5-5 that gets closed.
Wow, I'm sure it will be, definitely. I'm also looking forward to that.
Now I'll go as a shark.
that should be the energy. Yes, 100%. On that note, if you have to give 3 general advice to our young entrepreneurs who are watching this episode today, what are the 3 general things, not based on any particular industry, just 3 things as an entrepreneur you should definitely look into?
You should always build a team.
Okay.
मैं डब्बा उठा रहा हूँ, मैं कुरियर कर रहा हूँ, मैं पोर्टर बुक कर रहा हूँ, not worth it. You will get tired after a year, and अच्छा business भी बर्बाद हो जाएगा. Sometimes great ideas also suffer because of the fatigue that a founder gets.
Right.
So that's one for sure, that you should build a team. As said earlier also, you should go all in. There is no second way. आप अगर कहो कि मेरी एक सैलरी आते रहे, आप अगर कहो कि मेरा घर सही सलामत रहे, मेरा क्रेडिट मैक्स आउट ना हो, you're not doing justice to your entrepreneurship in a real sense that you have. Thirdly, don't become an entrepreneur just for the word founder. And very important, I have seen some great employees who would have done so good for the organizations turn into founder mindset. It's a very different mindset. It's a very different mindset. So वो अगर नहीं है, it's no harm in being an employee. मतलब I would rather say this very openly, absolutely nothing wrong in being a CFO, CEO or CMD, CMO of a good company, or being a founder.
It's the same thing.
It's the same thing. You will indeed probably be at a better zone. But yeah, I mean, if you enjoy the thrill of falling down and getting up, then you should be an entrepreneur. You should not be an entrepreneur if you think यार मेरे घुटनों में bruises आ जाएंगे, मेरे घुटने छिल जाएंगे. You should be ready to fall down and get up.
Absolutely. I'm so on board with the last thing that you said, that only if you can keep getting back again with the same amount of confidence or better, only then you should be an entrepreneur.
Correct.
No, I know what you're saying. On that note, Saurav, that was a great conversation. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for sharing your insights with all our audience and with me. I'm sure if I've learned so much, the audience also would have learned so much from everything that you've said. Thank you once again.
Thank you, Naman. All the best to you and your entire team.
Thank you so much, Saurav.